Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the DraftKings app not working. So let's get started. So to fix it, you have to follow these steps. So I will just open it here. So here we can see. So if it's not working for you, you have to follow these steps like doing error. So then you have to go to the app info. Okay, by tapping here and click on this. Then you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Then clear the data. Then you have to open it. If it's open, then fine. If it's not open, you have to check for the update. You directly go Google and you directly search for the app and download the latest version and you can use it. So the third solution is to reinstallation. It's very easy. You have to click on the app and click on the uninstall button and click on OK. Then you have to go to your here Google and search for the app and download the app at here. From there you can use it. So if you find this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.